So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can reply to a specific chat on WhatsApp. Now what I mean is oftentimes it may so happen that you are a part of a WhatsApp group and there are several people who are chatting in it at the same time and you need to reply to some specific chat. So quite obviously what needs to be done here is select that specific chat and then reply. So say for example I have a friend of mine and he has written something and in the course there are many chats but I want to reply to this chat. So what I do is I long press this chat. So let me do it again. I long press this chat and then at the top you will see there are several options. So this is forward, this is reply. So this arrow which is direction to the left, tap on this and I can this test message. So this is how you reply to specific chats on WhatsApp. So I really think this is an important feature because many of us are not aware of how to reply to specific chats on WhatsApp, and this becomes especially useful. There are many chats, many members, and like someone has posted something and you need to reply to that person. So I'll just repeat this. You simply need to long press a certain chat and then use this icon and then simply write your message. This is how reply to specific chats on WhatsApp. Hopefully this helps. If it does, kindly consider subscribing to our channel. Tap on the bell icon for notifications and also do let us know in the comment section how you found this video. If you have some issue bothering you or maybe you want to know something in the digital world, you can put a request of that as well in the comment section. Until next time, it's me Amlan signing off. Have a great day.